This is a gem of a plant. It's an aloe called Aloe Aristata. Now these do tend to be quite tough plants. In the wild, in South Africa and the country of Lesotho, they grow quite high up in mountainous regions, so they can endure cold weather. Now the thing with these succulent type plants is although they can take the cold, they don't like winter wet. So we tend to plant these in really well drained soil, possibly in a gravel bed. Now what's interesting is this plant I've got here is grown in soil that isn't that well drained. It's not heavy clay, but it's not really finely drained. It's about average really. Now we get battered by the wind and rain in the winter, and we've had periods where we've had weeks of nothing but rain and it hasn't touched it. We've had a harsh winter, again it's had no impact on this plant. And every year around about May or June we get these fantastic burnt orange flowers, and they're really unusual looking compared to some of the other flowers I've got growing in the garden. Like I said, it's a real gem of a plant. Now what the plant will do is it will expand in the area very slowly by producing offsets, and these offsets are brand new plants, so you can actually move it around. And as you can see, look at this flower spike. It's a great flower, lasts a few weeks as well. A nice contrast to the rest of the garden. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.